Mr. Neri, how we doing? This is my section 13 review video. Alright, I'm going to start off by explaining you the difference between marginal product and the value of marginal product. Alright, marginal product is the change in output resulting in an increase of one input. By input, I mean employee. The value of marginal product. The value of marginal product is the measure of a firm's revenue contributed by the last unit of it, and this, by unit, I mean employee. Let's talk about VMP. VMP decreases as labor increases. This is because each worker added becomes less and less efficient. If you are paying the last worker less than the VMP, there will be an increase in employees. There will be a decrease in market wage rate, and this would allow the firm to have more employees. Let's talk about labor supply. Firms are initially willing to supply labor at higher wages because it attracts workers. So if they need workers, they are willing to attract them with the higher wage. I'm going to talk about the labor market equilibrium. An increase in supply of labor would decrease the wage rate, and this will allow firms to have more workers. Alright, let's talk about monopsonists. Monopsonists hire at the maximizing point where MRP equals MFC, but they pay the workers where the market demand equals the market supply, so they pay less than the market wage rate. Let's talk about land and capital. Supply of land is elastic because it is very expensive to convert land into something productive, say like farms. Supply of capital is elastic because it is very inexpensive to increase the quantity of the productive capital supplied. Let's talk about cost maximization. Firms hire factors of production so that the marginal product per dollar spent on labor is equal to that spent on capital. If the marginal product per dollar for the labor is less than of the capital, the firm would hire more labor to maximize its profit. That's it. Peace out, Mr. Neri. Deuces.